Start with that. The mother of a 5-year-old boy killed in a shooting in DeKalb County on Wednesday had her first court appearance this afternoon.
Yeah, this is really a tough story. 25-year-old Lanicia Bennett faces charges of second-degree murder and cruelty to children after her family says the boy's sibling got a gun from their mother's purse and accidentally shot his twin brother. Let's get out to our Chase Howell, who is live outside the DeKalb County Police headquarters right now. Chase, you were in the courtroom. This is such a tragic story. What happened today?
Cheryl, Faith, it was your standard first appearance hearing. So basically, Lanicia Bennett was read her charges by a judge, and that was it. Now, I've been in contact with Bennett's mother, and she, like many other people, are wondering why she's been charged with second-degree murder when the DeKalb County Police Department has said that she wasn't the one that pulled the trigger. Well, I went looking for that answer and found out why this charge is specific to this case. An absolute tragedy out of Decatur Wednesday afternoon.
I just seen the ambulance go inside the apartment, and they came out with a child, put him on a stretcher, and started doing CPR.
DeKalb County Police confirming a 5-year-old was shot and killed inside this apartment. And while the family didn't want to go on camera, they tell me the trigger was pulled by another child inside the home.
That could be my child. That could have been anyone's child. I instantly got emotional because, I mean, like I said, I have a 3-year-old and a 4-year-old. So, yeah, that was really emotional.
The mother, 25-year-old Lanicia Bennett, was arrested and charged with cruelty to children in the second degree, along with second-degree murder. But in a statement, DeKalb PD clearly stated that Bennett did not shoot the child.
The police have determined thus far, on the minimum of facts that they have, her watching him not well enough for him to be shot by another child in the household was enough, and then he died. That's why she's charged with murder.
Kim Fry is a criminal defense attorney. She says Bennett's second-degree murder charge is directly tied to the charge of cruelty to children in the second degree.
This is a specific type of murder charge that was put in place, actually passed by the legislature shortly after the Ross Harris case. So it is a murder charge based on the supervising adult's negligence.
Next steps for Bennett is a bond hearing. When that will be is unclear right now. As far as why I'm standing outside the DeKalb County Police Department headquarters, it's because they offer free gun locks here along with 3 other locations, and those are listed on our website. Live in Tucker, Chase Howell, 11 Alive News.
Chase, I'm so glad you're sharing that information. Those free gun locks can make all the difference in some of these cases. Thank you. And we want to point out the DeKalb Police Department says that Bennett was the only adult in the home at the time of the shooting. There were, of course, a number of children there, but no other kids were physically hurt.